All right, so because I'm in Hakkaland, I have to get some Hakka noodles. You must have Hakka noodles.
We do, yes.
Okay, so let's have a look.
Yeah.
Is there vegetarian Hakka noodles?
There is veg, chicken, and prawns. We can do all three, yeah, but we have the veg.
Excellent. So let's go for that as well.
The vegetarian.
Hakka
Yeah.
veg noodles or Hakka noodle veg. What are you gonna make now?
Hakka noodles.
Okay. Vegetable oil. Yeah. Yeah. Onion and French beans. Oh, green beans, French beans. Yeah. Bean sprouts, yeah. Okay. Salt. Dark soy sauce, yeah. Spring onion. And garnished with spring onion. So this is soy sauce?
Yeah, that's the soy sauce. And this is called Hakka noodles.
Fantastic. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Enjoy your Hakka noodles.
Thank you. All right, so let's have a taste of the Hakka noodles, freshly wok stir fried. Looks delicious and smells even more delicious. I can't wait to try this. So try and grab some of the beans as well, the green beans there. And see what they taste like. Try and get it with the green beans there. It's really nicely cooked. Really nicely flavored. You've got different textures. You've got the softness of the really nicely well cooked noodles. And then you got the crunch from the vegetables. I think you got some crunch from the cabbage, the green beans, and the carrots. Really, really nice. Can I have it with the soy sauce because I think soy sauce and noodles really go well together. So this is what it looks like with the soy sauce. So that's it, Hakka Noodles in Hakkaland. Absolutely. And one of the things which I found interesting on your Instagram page, it said that you was the person who introduced Indo-Chinese cuisine or cooking style to the UK.
Yes.
Who are you?
Well, I'm a Chinese,
Yeah.
but I born in the city of Chile, it's India.
Oh, so you're Chinese?
Yeah, I born in India.
Oh, he's born in India.
Born
Where?
and brought up in Kolkata,
Oh, Kolkata.
and where there's only Chinatown all over India. A massive in India place. There's only one Chinatown.
In Kolkata. I've
Is
heard
all
that.
your family Chinese?
Yeah, all my family is Chinese.
Yeah.
My great grandfather, they're all Chinese from China. Then migrate to India, where my parents are born in India as well, and then I born there. Like you can say, a third generation in India now.
How did you learn to cook?
This cooking, I start when at the age of 17 years old. Not good in study, left my study very early age. Then I joined a restaurant where I feel very excited to in the kitchen how they do the chopping, as you are seeing the chopping things and all. Then the cooking, because cooking is like this. Not everyone do cooking. We Chinese people love to cook at home. So sometimes mostly cooking is prepared by mother or the family ladies and all. Sometimes when they are not well or something happens, then we go out without food. So what come in my mind, if something happen with the ladies, gents will take over. That means we men will do the cooking and all. Then I start to learn, do my best on my cooking, research and all. That's how I start my food from Kolkata to Bombay, Bombay to Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, Tanzania.
In Africa?
In Africa.
So you went from Kolkata to Africa, Dar es Salaam.
Dar es Salaam. No, from Bombay. I work in Kolkata, then to Bombay. I work in Bombay. From Bombay, I went to Dar es Salaam, Tanzania.
Wow, how long did you spend in Dar es Salaam?
2 years.
So do you speak some Swahili?
No, not really.
All right, so how did you survive without knowing the language there?
Mostly we are there surrounded by the Gujarati people.
Oh, really? So there was a Gujarati Indian community?
Yeah, there's big Gujarati communities in Tanzania.
Okay. And from there you came to the UK?
Then I back to Bombay, worked for one of the biggest restaurant in Bombay, very famous. It's known as China Garden.
China?
Garden.
Oh, China Garden, okay.
Then from there I came to London, tied up with a celebrity chef, Uti Sarkil. Then I started this cuisine 17 years ago. Finally, I think I should start myself with a restaurant with my old recipes, which is popular nowadays all over the world. That's how I start Hakkaland.
So you're a chef and you're the owner of this restaurant, yeah? The fact that you're a chef, you work in the kitchen.
Yes.
So that means that the consistency and the quality of the food ideas which you have remain they retain a standard.
Yes, it's always a standard because in this country it's very, very important to be the chef, as an owner to be the chef, because then you can handle the kitchen as good as the other staff too. Yeah, I have to maintain the kitchen very importantly about the food, because most of the chefs, when they know the owners is in the kitchen, they are more like doing their job in a proper way.
They won't take shortcuts.
Yeah, they won't do the shortcut or they won't misuse the ingredient.
Yeah, I understand. All right, so that's really good and really interesting. What's your favorite vegetarian dish?
I think it's not here in the what you have eat is a Thai Pai Paneer.
Thai?
Thai Pai Paneer.
Thai Pai Paneer.
Yeah.
All right.
That's the whole time. If you come in the evening for the dining, you see most of the vegetarian tables all the vegetarian tables have the dishes.
So what would be your mother tongue? If
My mother tongue is, right now I can say I'm an Indian, so my mother tongue is now in Hindi.
So you're very fluent in Hindi?
Yes, very fluent in Hindi.
What do you recommend to people if they go to India? What's the best thing to eat if they go to India or Kolkata or Mumbai?
अगर आप लोग को खाना का पसंद है तो कलकत्ता चला जाओ, उसमें बहुत मशहूर है, वेजिटेरियन इंडियन खाना के लिए बहुत मशहूर है, चाइनीज़ खाने के लिए बहुत मशहूर है कोलकाता में.
Thank you very much, Chef Stephen Lee.
My pleasure to have you here, sir.
God bless you. Thank you. Good luck in what you do. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers. Thank you.